Here's how to make emojis smaller in iOS 18. Now, if you've upgraded to the latest iOS operating system, you'll notice that the emoji keyboard is really big and spaced out. I'll show you how to change it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the very first thing we'll do is we'll check that emoji keyboard. So let's tap on the keyboard and tap the emojis at the bottom left. Now you can see in the update for iOS 18 or 18.2 currently, you'll be able to see all of these emojis are fairly big. They're really spaced out. And maybe you want to go back to how it was before. There are two different options you have. The first one is we'll head into your settings here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. And now from here, if we scroll down, you can see display zoom. Tap on that. Now, if you have a zoom on here, essentially for larger text, it will zoom in everything and make the emoji keyboard a lot bigger. So if you have larger text selected, you can switch over to default. I have the default already. So if you have the default already, your second option is to head into the App Store here. And on here, we're just going to search for keyboard. So we can type in keyboard, and there are a bunch of really great keyboards on here. You can see there are font keyboards, emoji keyboards, and then some good options are, for instance, the Microsoft Swift key. This is essentially Copilot, ChatGPT built into it. It's a really great keyboard to have on your phone. You can just download and install the app. And when we tap on it, we can hit Get Started. And we don't necessarily need to sign in, so let's hit not now, and not now, and no. So once we go through this entire process, it says we need to first allow full access to get keyword prediction. So we can tap on here and hit take me there. Let's hit done here. And looks like that didn't necessarily work. So let's just tap on general. And then from here, keyboard. Now, at the very top is keyboards here. We will tap on it, and you can see Swift key. I can tap on it and allow full access here. And now that I've allowed full access, all I need to do is go back into any web browser or anywhere that you have the keyboard, and you'll be able to see, you'll be able to switch to that specific keyboard. It's for some reason still not working. Here we go. There we go. Now you see the keyboard and you can tap the emoji icon here and it will show you a different version of the emojis. You can see they're a lot more similar to how it was before, a little smaller and a lot more closer. The padding on them is closer. So that essentially you can use a different keyboard. As of right now, there's no built-in way to change that emoji keyboard on your iPhone keyboard, but you can always use any of these third-party ones instead. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.